Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to play Switch games on MetaQuest 3. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. As most of the consoles like PlayStation and Xbox are currently able to play games on MetaQuest 3 by remote play and the cloud gaming official cloud gaming app respectively. That option leads them to be able to play the games on MetaQuest 3. Like Xbox has their official website and games on cloud where you can play on your MetaQuest 3, and for the PlayStation you can have a walk around through our official website, that is a remote play, and from there you can stream the games on your MetaQuest 3. Now for the Switch games, there is no available option given to play Switch games on MetaQuest 3. If you were able to connect it somehow, then it wouldn't work, as there is no releases or current updates that lets you play Switch games on MetaQuest 3. So that's basically it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.